behalf of MLulier, as a company, we pride ourselves not only on our commitment to business excellence, but also on our dedication to giving back to the communities we serve. We are delighted to donate signage and a tent to Mark NSF.
On behalf of MLulier, through ML Cares Foundation and OPIC Sandugo, we are honored to turn over the school's identification signage and MLulier tent to your institution. We hope these donations will contribute to more organized, visible, and comfortable learning environment for the entire school community.
Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Tayo na sa MLulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino.
In behalf of Mayor A.R. Tuazo National School of Fisheries, we wholeheartedly accept this identification signage of our beloved institution for the provision of a better, more safe learning environment for our learners. So once again, thank you so much.
Thank you for allowing us to be part of your mission. We look forward to seeing the positive effects of our contributions in the days to come. We truly cares. MLulier cares.
Tayo na sa MLulier, tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Matutupad ang hangarin sa tulay ng pamilyang Pilipino. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay, tulay ng pagmamahalan, tulay na nagbibigay buhay. Ito ang tulay ng iyong pangarap, ang tulay ng pag-asa, ang tulay sa pagginhawa ng pamilya mo. Tayo